Hello YouTube, hello! Thank you for clicking on this video. I can see that you've obviously come to have a sneak peek at my sneaker collection. I say sneaker like this because obviously I've titled the video sneaker, when in the UK we actually call it trainers. But there's something about trainers that just oozes practicality and boringness. So I like the word sneaker a little bit more. We've got a little guest, which is my cat, Oscar. I've always been quite into trainers because I have flat feet. What are flat feet? It's basically where you have fallen arches, which means I have to put special insoles in my shoes to prevent me from having to have a hip surgery at some point later in my life. So yes, trainers have always been an unfortunate must go to. I've never been able to wear plimsolly shoes or flats and dolly shoes and that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to make this easy and I'm going to start with, which I've already spoken about, so I'm not going to speak too much about these, the Nike Dunk Low in the colourway which is black and white Panda. So I got, just for reference, a US women's 8.5, US men's 7, UK 6 and EU 40. Normally I'm in EU 39, which is the usual standard size 6, but for some reason they are a tiny bit smaller. So retail these are $94.99, which is just impossible to get, let's be honest. Anybody who's watching this video is probably going to know that anyway. Resale is, I think at the moment it's like £180, which is ridiculous. I got these retail, it took an effort to get. Just to give you a close-up of the shoe. So it's this soft leather, which you can obviously tell. I'd probably say it's not too different from like an Air Force One essentially. The quality's not £180 worth, I'm telling you that for sure. You know, it's just a nice shoe, you can style it really well, and it's just timeless, isn't it? It's like a retro shoe, so we do like these. I like these a lot. For like style them with pretty much anything, so I'm just not looking forward to when they crease. Next up we have the Nike Dunk High Varsity Maze Special Project. I got these again in all the same sizes that I've already referred to before. So it is this awesome colourway of a navy blue and a yellow. These are the men's ones. The slightest bit more roomy, but they're only just slightly wider. So the quality of these, however, are very nice. But this is just the shoe here. They came with these navy laces, and they also came with a little pack of white laces, and they also came with yellow. I haven't actually worn these yet. I believe these are $94.99 retail, but I bought these resale on eBay for £125. I'm not regretting it, but I just think these are going to be really hard to style just because of the yellow mainly. So if anybody knows how you would style these up, I would love to know. So yeah, as you can see, the quality is really lovely, and I just think the tongue on this as well is just, the quality is just, you can feel it. Do you know what I mean? Next up we have another Nike Dunk High, and that is, these were authenticated by eBay, and from what I've gathered, the authentication from eBay, it feels like it's really good, it feels like it's trustworthy, and I've seen a lot of videos on it where people have tried to sell fake trainers to see how good the authentication process is, and it seems really good. Like an FYI, the place where I buy my sneakers or trainers is on eBay or Collect. If you've not heard of Collect, I wouldn't say it's obviously it's like a trainer platform, just like StockX is, but there's no hidden fees at the end like StockX, where it's like a lower price and then you've got to pay all these stupid fees on top of it. I just don't rate that. And also I just think the prices are far more reasonable than most of the other online retailers for reselling of trainers. These babies right here. So as you can tell, yes, these are pretty much they are the exact same as the first ones that I showed you, but these are the Dunk Highs instead of the low. You're probably going to ask me, why did you want the highs? And I just really like the highs as well. It just sounds so stupid, doesn't it, honestly? The highs close up. The quality is very similar. This one, however, has a reg. The Nike writing on the tongue is in red, which I don't know why, but I just love that about it. I feel like it gives the shoe a little bit more of a pop as well. And I think these, again, just go with absolutely everything. I think the thing that drew me to these most is the fact that they're a high top, because me with my ankles, it just means more support for me, so it's all great really. So technically I got these for orthopedic reasons. That is what I tell myself anyway. If you are a UK size 6 in every shoe that you normally buy, I would highly recommend going by EU sizes when you buy Dunks, because that to me has been the most accurate depiction. They're just a timeless shoe, aren't they? It's kind of like a Converse. I feel like a Converse just doesn't have a life expectancy when it comes to when and where you can wear it. Retail, these are $94.99. I got these on eBay and I paid £140 for them, which, okay, so £45 more than the retail value, which I'm fully aware. However, on StockX and stuff, these are like £170, £180. So I just thought, actually, kind of a little bit of a bargain in a way. Like, I normally spend about £100 on trainers usually, so these were a present to myself, so I didn't necessarily mind spending that, but yes. Next up we have these, and they're in a different box, can you tell? Air Jordan High Retro High OG in the dark Marina blue. I've got these USA 7, Euro 40, UK 6, which is, by the way, 25 centimetres if that helps anybody. I haven't done the laces, which I'm really sorry. I bet that's really frustrating because I've only actually just got these. Here they are in all their glory. These are Jordan 1s. As you can tell, I've obviously annoyingly not done the laces. I think I will probably go with black laces, even though I can see here they've started with blue. Also came with white laces as well. Really soft leather, beautiful, beautiful blue against the black. And by the way, just like a telling factor of being able to know the difference between real and fakes, because the fakes these days are so good, is actually the size of the logo. And also when you turn the shoe around, can you see that it gets wider at the top? I've noticed a lot of fake trainers tend to look like this as opposed to this. I know that's so minor, but absolutely stunning shoe. You've got the blue underneath as well. These were not cheap. Retail, these are £155. So already they're a lot more than the Dunks, but of course it's because they're Air Jordans. They know that these are a popular shoe. I got these on eBay. Thank you, eBay. eBay's actually been really good. Their authentication service, they jumped on it quick when they realised that this was becoming a thing, and it just is a platform that I trust because I've used it for so many years. And also it's really quick. I got these in I think 2 days. So I'm very impressed. I paid £170 for these. So I'm fully aware that that is not cheap, that is very expensive. However, when I think about it, which is probably a really bad way to think, I paid £15 more than the retail. So when you think about it, £15, considering the fact that that includes postage, you would have paid the extra £5 anyway for delivery from wherever you're ordering from. So realistically, I actually only paid £10 more than retail. That's how I've justified it. They bring back so much nostalgia in terms of being quite a tomboy. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward to wearing these in the summertime because we do not want to get our trainers dirty. Last, by no means least, because means there are no loose sticks. These are just wow. We've got another cop here. I managed to get these ones at retail, which woo, like I know that's like sounds so stupid to anybody who's not into sneakers or trainers or whatever, because it's just kind of like, why don't you just buy shoes that you can buy at a normal price and not have to pay inflated prices, because that's just stupid. But you know, this is already looking a little bit special, isn't it? Like, these are the women's Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort. Again, all the sizing is the same. Now let me just show you what these look like inside, because when I opened these I was like, oh girl, these look so cute. So they come with this Air Jordan little thing that I wrapped around the shoe, which, you know, it's all about the little extras, isn't it? Which has some logoing on it. I got these on the Nike website. Voila! Oh my gosh, is she not just so pretty? So here are them close up. So as you can tell, you have again the soft leather, and then you have the red patent leather. So as you can see, the patent runs through the front of the shoe up until the back, and then one of my favourite parts of this shoe is the satin lining all around the back. Like, that's just so beautiful. And not only that, but the Nike tick is also this beautiful black satin tick as well. It just feels so lovely. And then you've also got the embellished Air Jordan sign. Oh, there's the bottom as well. I just thought that was kind of cool with the red outline. The only thing I don't like about this shoe is I do not get this whole exposed foam thing, and I really don't like that, but apparently it's like a thing to have this whole exposed foam. So if you can see what I mean. To anybody who owns Jordans will know that they are not the comfiest shoe. They're very much a flat shoe in terms of when you walk, it's very much heel toe, heel toe. There's a reason why these are called the Zoom Air Comfort. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, I forgot to show you the tongue, didn't I? Because they are so comfortable. They are so soft and spongy. So the inside of them, there's a lot of padding, which there's not this sort of padding on the other Jordans I have. There's like so much padding around the ankle, there's so much padding on the foot, and it just felt like it was standing on like new carpet. Does that make any sense for anybody? You know when you get new carpet, or if you stood on new carpet when it's like really thick and fluffy, that's literally what these felt like. So I'm very happy with these. They also, like, admittedly, you know, they do look a bit like Chicago's. I'm not gonna lie, it was one of the things that attracted me to them, but I'm not paying £500 for a pair of shoes. These are gonna be styled with so many things. I don't see why in any time period that I would ever be like, why the hell did I buy those? I don't like those. That is the end of this video. Let me know which ones were your favourite. I'd actually be really interested to know, because I know that some of these colours are a little bit weird and some people don't like to deviate away from like the black and white type of shoe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on my next video, and I always say, like I say, I hope to see myself there as well, you know. Thank you so much, and goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.